Elledani here, and welcome to my kitchen. I am doing kind of a lot of cooking stuff for Vlogtober. I absolutely love fall, and I cook a lot in general. That's not something I've really brought to my channel before, but I do cook a ton, and I thought Vlogtober was a really good time to showcase that because I absolutely love fall cooking. Unfortunately, earlier this week, my crock pot got destroyed. I was pretty upset about it at first. Then I went to go replace it, and I found a 7-quart crock pot for 20 bucks. A Crockpot brand crock for 20 bucks, mind you. Expected to spend even more for like an off-brand, so I was literally thrilled to find this. I thought we would unbox it, set it up. To break it in, I'm gonna make some cinnamon infused cider. Perfect time of year. Michigan is really known for its apples and cider in general, so let's break into this box.
Freya's
in trouble. Do you want me to get her?
Nope.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I got her.
Oh no! I fucking cut into the box and fucked up the top of the crock pot with a knife. I literally cut into the top of this box and scratched the top of that crock pot with the knife. I literally cut into the top of the box and fucked up the top of the crock pot trying to be cute for a thumbnail. So don't do that, I guess. We've got it all unboxed. I did actually clean the crock pot already. I am going to save the carton. I think it's probably best to put the cinnamon infused cider right back in here. These are smaller cinnamon sticks, so I'm going to do 3 here. And we're going to turn it to high. We're going to see what it looks like in about 2 hours. It's starting to get hot really quick, which I'm already impressed with. I don't know if I mentioned this in the video yet, but this was a Crockpot brand, mind you, for $19.99. I was expecting to spend more for an off-brand, 20 bucks for a 7-quart crock pot especially. I cook in such big quantities, I really need at least a 7-quart, so definitely thrilled for that. So we're going to set that to the side for a little bit. We're going to let that cook. Intent was to leave the cider in the crock pot for a few hours and check it every hour or so to see how it was infusing. I forgot about it, left it going till about 7 o'clock this morning, which is when I turned it off. Since then, I did let it cool down, and then I warmed it back up. I don't actually think it hurt it. I would truthfully, for a gallon of cider, I'd probably do more cinnamon sticks next time anyways. I heated it up, and then I strained out the cinnamon sticks. You want to mix that up really good. Cider almost has a with the mother concept where there is a lot of, not pulp, but somewhat cloudy material in it from the apple because it is a lot more natural than juice. The cider is actually, I don't know if I mentioned this earlier, but cider is actually one of the only juices that is in the realm of paleo because it is just pressed apples. It's very sugary. It's not something you want to drink constantly anyways, but to have as a treat, it's totally okay. Where most juices are very processed, very concentrated, cider is not. So now we are going to make basically a cider cocktail using this cute little retro glass set. So I have a small dish of water right here, and then we're going to rim this glass with a cinnamon and coconut sugar combo. Coconut sugar, if you're a paleo, you can't have refined sugar. Again, you should not be having this every single day anyways. For treats and for the occasion. Ooh, it smells super good. Definitely smells like brown sugar. Kind of looks like it too. So you want a coconut sugar and cinnamon mixture. There's no right or wrong ratio for this, however you want to do it. Cinnamon by itself is going to be really pungent, so I definitely went a lot heavier on the coconut sugar with just a little bit of cinnamon. So you want to take your cup upside down, dip it in that water, and then you're just going to roll it. And you have a really nice coconut sugar rimmed glass for that. I cut an apple slice to stick right on the side of that. This coconut sugar is really, really good. Taste this. Isn't that good?
It is good.
Oh, lovely. Well, my cinnamon stick won't stay because they're really short, so we're going to skip the cinnamon stick. This stuff is so, so, so good. It's got a really nice light cinnamon taste, but then the rim here, which is getting totally destroyed, it definitely gives you like a little bit of a cocktail feel. If you wanted to, you could spike it with whiskey or rum. I know people do both, but I'm not really a fan of cider and alcohol, so I tend to like it just like this. Super, super easy to take your cider up a notch, make it a little bit more special for a holiday or a gathering or anything like that if you want to. It's a perfect drink for the fall season. I don't know anybody that doesn't love cider, so it's definitely something that's worth trying. Please let me know if you try this, if you liked it. I did a gallon of cider with 3 cinnamon sticks. They were smaller sticks, so next time I would probably go 5. Normally I use way bigger sticks of cinnamon. I really think that if I had my normal cinnamon sticks, it definitely would have been a little bit better. It's still great. It's still got a really nice hint of cinnamon, and we will be drinking cinnamon infused cider for days now. It's kind of an awesome way to kick off October. Please let me know if you try it. Let me know if you like it. Do you like cider? I really don't know anybody that doesn't like cider, but I think that's also kind of a little bit of a Michigan thing. We have so many cider mills everywhere. Just don't know anybody that doesn't really love cider. So tell me if you like it. Tell me if you've tried this. If you have any other tricks or things you like to infuse into your cider, let me know below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Using this
I wonder what would happen if you got fucked up.
Cinnamon and coconut sugar combo.
Your classic job.
I have an apple slice pre-cut, and we're just going to stick that on the side. Oh, no, you're not, apparently.